Myself Ashish Kumar Lahiri of class 11th A from Holy Cross School, Hazaribagh. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic which is upon digital citizenship and some important tips on online safety. The main aim of this video is to spread awareness among students and citizens while attending online classes or doing anything else or digitally. Must be aware of cyberbullying or phishing. Nowadays, people are attending more online or digitally work, so they have to concern about many vital and major points to do online or digital things. So let's get into the video.
First, we need to know about digital citizenship. Digital citizenship is a concept which helps teacher, technology and parents understand what students should know to use technology appropriately. Digital citizenship is more than just a teaching tool. It is a way to prepare students for a society full of technology. Digital citizenship refers to the ability to think critically, behave safely, and participate responsibly in our digital world. Now, let's talk about work from home. Nowadays, in corona pandemic, we are concerned to do work from home like studies and some office work. We need to do all work in our laptop or mobile, which is very unusual to us because we don't have habit of that. We are the being who wants to live together, study together or work together. But now we need to do all work alone in our laptops. Now let's talk about privacy issue. Nowadays people are concerning about privacy issue because it's a vital thing in our internet. We are moving to a world of technology where all things will be done with help of machine. But we have also to worry because our data is on internet. Someone could hack it or steal your data and use them in a wrong way. Our data in internet is very important while using different sites, especially banking sites. Most often people stuck in some cybercrime sites and often phishing can harm them. We are always talking about data security, but we are not serious about that. We must put an action against that company who take our data and misuse them. People are knowing about the stealing of data but are unaware of what are major issue from data stealing. Whole world is putting effort on making coronavirus vaccine, but some people are engaged in hacking data of people and misusing them to fulfill their needs. Let's talk about data stealing. In simple word, can be said as stealing something from your phone without letting you know. Example, personal data like photos, messages, videos, data, info, etc., which can be very dangerous to us and our personal information. People are using different apps for their work which are asking for permission which can enable your personal data of the phone to the application developer. Especially talking about a Chinese app which name is TikTok. For example, 59 apps were banned in India due to security issue. The apps were stealing data from Indian server which is in national security alert. Especially talking about the Chinese app TikTok. Now, 5 internet commandments which I'm going to give you about these things. First, don't post something you will later regret. Everything you post online presents a picture of who you are and it can be hard to remove post later. Second, protect your online privacy on social media. Identity thieves and cyber stalkers can gather personal information. Third, don't fall for email phishing scams. Phishing scams are fraudulent emails which look legitimate. Fourth, behave online. Online interaction may seem hard to trace if you are on a computer. Fifth, have different passwords for different accounts. 55% of net users aged 16 plus have the same password for most. So, there is a question, should we share the data to anyone?
नहीं.
Hope you understand the purpose of the video and must follow some important safety rules. We are the youth which are going to be future of our India. Now, I hope you are all aware of digital citizenship and online safety. At last but not least, I want to give message to our generation that never misuse their social media power. They must use their power in a proper way so our country, India, can develop more in skills. Hope you understood the importance of digital citizenship and online safety. Thank you. Jai Hind.